In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to look up an invoice in bill.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly find any invoice you need, whether it's something you've sent to a customer or a bill you need to pay. Let's start with where invoices live inside bill.com. When you're looking for invoices that you've sent out, meaning money that customers owe you, you'll want to go to the receivables side of your account. In the main navigation menu, look for the option labeled Invoices and click it. This takes you to a list of all the invoices you've created and sent. If instead you're trying to look up a bill that you need to pay, you'll use the Payables section. There you'll see similar tracking options for your bills, just organized from the perspective of what you owe. Once you're on the correct page, the fastest way to locate a specific invoice is to use the search and filter tools. At the top of the invoice list, you'll typically see a search bar, often marked with a magnifying glass icon. If you know the exact invoice number or the customer's name, type it in there and press enter. This is especially helpful when you're dealing with a large volume of transactions. If you don't have the exact number, filters will be your best friend. You can filter by status to narrow your results. Common statuses include created, sent, accepted, paid, and partially paid. For example, if you're trying to find something that you know has already been paid, switch the filter to paid so you're not scrolling through everything else. You can also filter by a date range, which is great when you know roughly when the invoice was created or paid, but not the exact details. After you've searched or filtered and you see the invoice you're looking for in the list, click directly on the invoice number or the row for that entry. This will open up the detailed view. Inside the invoice details, you'll see the current status, when it was created, when it was sent or accepted, and any payments that have been made against it. If you need a deeper record of everything that has happened with that invoice, look for a More Actions option or something similar, and choose Audit Trail. This gives you a full history of activity on that invoice. If you're on the go, you can do much of this from the mobile app as well. Head to Receivables, then tap Invoices or Payments Received to locate and review the invoice details right